More about plants. Intended learning outcomes. Describe different ways in which plants reproduce. Analyze the structure of a seed. Demonstrate the conditions required for seed germination. Explain the different methods of seed dispersal. Distinguish between different kinds of crops. List different stages in agriculture. Reproduction in plants. We have seen many plants of the same type around us. What makes plants increase in number? It is the process of reproduction. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce more of their kind. Tomato, cucumber, potato, carrot, orange. Plants are of two types. Flowering plants, non-flowering plants. Reproduction from seeds. Most plants grow from seeds. Plants produce many seeds, but only some seeds grow into new plants. Soybean seeds, pea seeds, corn seeds. Do all these seeds look the same? Seeds of different plants can have different shape, size and structure. Let us understand the structure of a kidney bean seed. Activity 1. Take some kidney bean seeds and observe them. Try to split a seed with your hands. You cannot because it is hard. Now put the seeds in a moist piece of cotton wool and place them in a shallow dish for a day. Next day, take out some seeds and observe them carefully. You will see that the seed has become soft as it has absorbed water. It has a small hole through which water is absorbed. Right below the hole is a scar. This is where the seed was attached to the fruit. Now remove the thin outer covering of the seed. This is the seed coat that protects the baby plant. Kidney bean seeds has two seed leaves which are called cotyledons. They store food. Between the cotyledons is the baby plant known as the embryo. It has two parts, the baby root and the baby shoot. The baby root grows downward into the soil to form the roots of the plant. The baby shoot grows upwards and gives rise to stem, leaves and flowers. Seed structure. Seed coat, baby shoot, baby root, cotyledons.
How many seed leaves does a corn seed have? Seed coat, cotyledon, corn seed. Germination of seeds. You know that a plant produces many seeds, but only a few of them germinate. Germination is the process by which a baby plant or seedling grows from a seed in the presence of water, air and warmth. Let us study the conditions required for a seed to germinate. The baby root grows down into the soil and forms the root. The baby shoot grows up out of the soil to form the stem. Thus, we see that seeds need adequate air, water, and proper temperature to germinate. If any one of the conditions is missing, the seeds will not germinate. Some seeds are not healthy and cannot grow. Some seeds do not get favorable conditions to grow into adult plants. Many seeds get destroyed by rain, heat, or are eaten by animals such as mice and birds. Stages of seed germination: seed, baby root, baby shoot, leaves.
Seed dispersal. Seeds need sufficient sunlight, air and water to grow into healthy plants. So they must be scattered away from each other. The process by which seeds are scattered away from the parent plant is called seed dispersal. Let us understand through an activity why seed dispersal is required. Seeds are dispersed in different ways. They may be carried far away by wind, water, or animals. These are called agents of dispersal. Some plants also expel their seeds explosively. Seed size is an important factor that determines how a seed is dispersed. Let us understand the methods by which seeds are dispersed. Dispersal by wind. Plants such as maple, cotton, and dandelions have seeds that are very light. They can be easily dispersed by the wind. Cotton and dandelion seeds have very fine and long hair around them by which they can be easily carried away by the wind. Seeds of some plants such as drumstick, jacaranda and maple have wings that help them to float in the air. The seeds of maple have wings that spin in the air like that of helicopters. Such seeds are easily dispersed by wind. Those seeds that disperse by air have wings or hair. These help slow the fall, and the wind then blows the seed to a place away from where it was formed. Dispersal by wind. Dandelion seeds, maple seeds, jacaranda seeds. Dispersal by water. The seeds of plants that grow in or near flowing water are generally dispersed by water. Their seeds are light and can float. Coconut has air trapped between its fibers. This helps it to float far away from the parent plant. Flowing water carries seeds to places far from where they were produced. Dispersal by animals. After eating lychee, peach, papaya, orange and other fruits, we throw away their seeds. When these seeds fall on the ground, they germinate. In this way, we help in their dispersal. Animals eat fruits but they cannot digest the seeds. These seeds are excreted from their body as droppings after that. These germinate at places far away from the parent plant. Such fruits are often bright in color and taste good to attract animals to eat them. Some seeds, such as Sandusam, cocklebar, have hooks or spines. They stick to the fur of animals, and when animals move from one place to another, the seeds get dispersed to new distant place. Wonder box. Banksia is an Australian wildflower. The fruit of Banksia is very hard. It only opens when there is fire, and when it splits, the seeds burst out from the fruit.
Run through. Reproduction is the process by which living organisms produce more of their kind. Most plants can reproduce by seeds. Seed dispersal is the process through which seeds can be scattered away from the parent plant. Water, wind, and animals are the different agents of dispersal. The process by which a seed produces a baby plant or seedling is called germination. Track your progress. What are the necessary of conditions required for germination? Name a seed that is dispersed.